Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look right here. So to see how I got this look, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Okay, so to get started today, I'm taking the Special Occasion palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm taking this brown shade right here and I'm applying that all over my crease. I'm then going back in with this shimmer brown shade and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. I'm just sweeping it right across. Then taking this beautiful emerald green color by Estee Lauder. This is in the color Ivy. I'm taking this color, I'm applying it right onto my waterline. So I'm taking a small thin pencil brush and I'm just applying that right underneath my lower lash line. This is going to give that really great pop of color right underneath your eyes. I'm then taking the Hustler Baby Highlighter and this is by Fenty Beauty. This is a beautiful shade. I'm taking it in right with my beauty blender, dipping it right into the product, and then I'm going in over top my cheekbones and right into my brow bone as well. And as you can see, it's a beautiful shade. Then I took that same pencil brush and I applied it into the highlighter and I'm applying it right into the inner tear duct of my eye to really brighten up and open my eyes. Then applying some Bad Girl Bang mascara by Benefit, one of my current favorites. I'm applying a coat to my lashes. To complete this beautiful fall look, I'm taking the Heather's Liquid Lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm completing this look with this beautiful pop of color on the lips. And this completes the look. I hope that you all enjoyed this beautiful, simple, elegant fall look. Please subscribe for more looks soon to come, and until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.